Hej allihopa och välkommen till en svensk reagerare och en ny torsdagsvideo då. Idag ska vi se Sirs bok, så vi ska se en video som heter 5 scary videos to never watch if you're home alone. Så är det ensam hemma så kanske inte du bör kika på den här videon, för den kan vara lite läskig. Nej, skämt åsido. Det tror jag inte. Jag tror det här är precis lika tråkigt som vanligt. Nej, jag skojar om det också. Klart han är läskig. Så vi drar inte ut på det. Ta på er täcke, en filt, kryp ner i soffan och mys till det och så släcker ni belysningen, höjer volymen på max och så kör vi igång som vanligt. Nu kör vi. Sådär, då hoppas ni är redo. 3 djupa andetag nu, så kör vi.
Most usually on this channel, I showcase some of the most unnerving and bone-chilling paranormal videos that you can find on the internet. And while we will be showing some of those clips later in the list, this first video uploaded to YouTube by the user Portal of Terror Oaxaca does not show anything paranormal in terms of a visual aspect, but that doesn't make it any less creepy. In the video, we can see a security guard standing in some sort of building he works at, and he appears to be having a full-on conversation with somebody in the room. But as you probably already noticed, there is absolutely nobody to be found in the area. So who is the guard talking to?
Han pratar kanske i komradion som man håller in där, kanske knappen på, jag vet inte. Okej. Jag ryser. Jag vet inte om det är musiken eller om det var det där att han klappade någon på ögonen.
Apparently, the girl was talking to the man and said that she couldn't find her mother and she was scared, so the guard was probably trying to comfort her. However, his co-workers proceeded to tell him that they couldn't see anybody on the security camera, which understandably freaked him out a little bit, so he eventually decided to leave. But all of this begs the question, who was he talking to? Did he see a girl in the room while he was in there? How come we couldn't see anybody on the actual security camera footage? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
Den var lite weird. Faktiskt, om man ska göra det. Den är svår att förklara.
MRD75XD uploaded this extremely short but incredibly unsettling video to his YouTube channel in 2012. In the description of the video, the channel owner states, quote, "This was recorded by a friend in August 2012 at the Palacio de las Lágrimas in Rio Bueno," end quote. So, without further delay, let's take a look and see what was captured that day.
Let's go.
Supuestamente aquí penan, pero ahora soy para allá. Aquí dicen cualquier nombre de los muertos víctimas quedan muertos aquí
Väldigt
mismo.
dåligt ljud.
Hola fantasma, ¿cómo estás fantasma? Ahí sí, está arriba.
Är det någon som står där borta?
Ahora. Oye, las mis habitaciones.
Det var någon som gick.
Såg
han inte det?
No pasa nada.
Skojar du med mig? Fan, kan jag missa det där?
Despite its 2012 upload date, the video in question does appear to be heavily grainy, but even still, you should have been able to make out that strange shadow figure walking by. Surprisingly enough, however, MRD says that his friend did not notice the figure while he was there filming that day, and it was only after reviewing the footage later on that he noticed the strange figure. In my personal opinion, I think that the figure does look quite genuine, and it seems like it would have been hard to fake a video like this. Of course, anything is possible, and this definitely could have been faked. But then again, this could be authentic footage of shadow figures roaming the earth. What do you think? Is this a shadow figure captured on camera?
Vänta, ska vi se.
Is this just some sort of trick of the light?
Alltså det ser ju ut att ha färg, så skuggperson tror inte jag. Jag tror inte det är skuggperson. Eller figur. Möjligtvis att jag tyckte nästan att det rörde sig som hennes korta ben. Jag tyckte det rörde sig som ett djur nästan. Men samtidigt har det ju liksom hudfärgat här, så det kan ju lika gärna vara, kan ju vara någon vän till han eller någonting, någon annan människa i huset, en hemlös kanske eller någonting sånt. Jag vet inte. Så pass grynigt så det är svårt att se. Ja.
Or is this all a hoax? I'll let you decide. Some subreddits such as Ghosts or Creepy are tremendously disturbing hotspots on the internet for those hungry to find some incredibly creepy, paranormal related videos. But the popular subreddit Humanoid Encounters is focused on, as the title suggests, humanoid looking creatures, aliens, Sasquatch encounters, and more. This video was uploaded to the subreddit by the user Waziz, who said that the following footage was recorded in Tikal, Guatemala a few months ago. Whoever recorded the video said that he had never heard anything like this in years as a park keeper. What could it have been? Maybe we can help answer the question. Let's have a look and listen. The comment section of this particular Reddit post seems to be extremely divided as to what the sound was. Some people say that it sounds like nothing more than some rowdy guy screaming in the woods, perhaps drunk or something like that. However, others have suggested that it could be something more sinister than just some guy fooling around. Some say that it could be the infamous La Llorona, an urban legend of a weeping ghost woman who roams around mourning her dead children. Since nobody is too sure what this noise was, I want to know what you think it could be, so be sure to leave all your possible...
Tror ni att det... Jag tyckte nästan det lät lite för rent för att vara, alltså ett ljud utifrån. Jag tyckte det lät som det kunde vara någonting som är lagt på och så inredigerat. Men det är min åsikt. Kommentera här nere vad ni tror att det var. Jag tror att det kan vara redigerat, att det är fake.
Theories in the comments below. Do you want your own scary video featured on Sir Spooks? Then send an email to sirspooksclips@gmail.com. Provide a YouTube link and a short description of the video.
Number 2.
A United Kingdom-based YouTube channel known as The Urban Project is well known within the horror and paranormal community for producing entertaining and creepy paranormal investigation videos. The following video demonstrates this greatly. Published online on July 10th, 2020, this video sees the channel owner venture out to a haunted house somewhere within Britain in the hopes of capturing something creepy on camera. If that was the uploader's wish, then he definitely got what he wanted. To start things off, the man can be seen early on in the video exploring one area of the building when he comes across 2 old framed pictures of men on some sort of nightstand. Everything is so quiet.
Det där är väl inte en man vad jag kan se i alla fall. Jag tycker det ser ut som en kvinna. Eller? Visst är det en kvinna.
that you could literally hear a pin drop until...
It's not too bad once you get in. It's the initial stepping foot in the place, it's the hardest thing. There's some photographs that follow you around the room. These old photographs really do follow you around the room.
Oh! Jesus. Jävlar vilken smäll.
Yeah, they're knocking in. Hello?
Knackning? Det är som någon rev huset för. Låter som någon står och pissar.
Then, a little later on, while exploring another room full of unbearable quiet, another creepy and unexplainable noise can be heard, which understandably startles the channel owner. This happens twice in the span of just a couple of minutes too. Take a look and have a listen.
Something about that bungalow. We're evil, but just a presence there. Which I'm sure you've all seen.
No!
Oh!
Jesus.
Hello?
Just as the man is eventually about to leave, he hears yet another startling noise, which puts the final nail in the coffin for his exploration. He wants to leave immediately, and that's exactly what he does after hearing this.
I am leaving now, so. Oh! Whoa! It's a spirit's way of telling me it wants to leave. Wants me to leave.
In the description of the upload, the Urban Project says, quote, "I've been here 3 times, but the first time was mainly for photography," end quote. He says that he visited a second time, and even then he heard some chilling noises which left him feeling deeply unsettled. He probably wanted to come back this time in order to prove his findings, and he seemingly did exactly that, assuming that all of this is real. Imagine looking through your friends' stories on the messaging app WhatsApp, only to find out that they're experiencing some very scary activity right at that very moment. Well, it seems like that's exactly the situation that YouTube user Noki Thriller found themselves in. In the video on Noki's friend's story, we watch as a man is relaxing in bed, pointing his phone camera towards his window, and at various other areas in his room. All seems to be going fine until something startles the man and causes him to get a little bit panicked. Watch this.
Se dejó de escuchar el sonido del ventanal, pero de este lado tengo los trastes y pues se sigue escuchando también ahí. Bueno, creo que ya es mejor decidir ya dormirme, dejarlo por la paz. Y pues bueno, Lucy sigue viendo para afuera, pero no creo que esté. Güey, no es pedo.
Hon satt sig vid matbordet och någon så hungrig.
Que se movió algo.
But something else happened in the video earlier on that you probably didn't even notice, and it's not your fault. After adjusting the brightness during the beginning of the video, you should be able to see something that will send chills all over your body once you notice it.
Ja, där nere vid
Have a
tvn
look
har
for
något.
yourself.
Åh, vad är det just det?
Sonido del ventanal.
Vi tar nere vid tvn.
Tengo los trastes y pues
Nej, det stod ju någon där vid bordet.
este lado tengo
Titta bort vid stolen nu. Där. Barn.
Judging by the fact that the man didn't stop to question anything as it was happening in real time, it's safe to assume that he did not see the strange, childlike figure standing behind the table that you just saw. Shortly after this, the video ends, so it seems we may never know what happened to Noki Thriller's friend, and if he ever experienced these creepy encounters again. And that was 5 scary videos to never watch if you're home alone.
That was weird.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then subscribe for more scary content. My name is Sir Spooks, and I'll see you all.
Det var det, hörni. En snabb men faktiskt ganska bra video tycker jag. Jag hoppas ni gillar den. Och fortsätter titta. Kommer en ny video klockan 7 på söndag. Så missa inte det. I övrigt dela, gilla, prenumerera på kanalen. Det är gratis. Så att, varför inte? Om ni ändå tittar. Och glöm inte om ni prenumererar att flicka på den här lilla notifikationsklockan där och sätta den på alla. För då får ni alltid en uppdatering om när jag släpper en ny video. Annars övrigt, ha en fortsatt bra kväll så ses vi på söndag. Ha det gott. Hej hej.